Binomial theorem. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 2A, part 43. Last part completed 7 marks question, expected question in IP examination. Today class also be explained 7 marks question, one more question, previous problem model, previous part model problem. First read the problem. This problem is example problem before exercise 6b. Example problem. What is the example problem? Find the sum of the infinite series. Find the sum of the infinite series. Question is what? 1 plus 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 5 by 3 into 6 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 2 into 5 into 8 by 3 into 6 into 9 into 1 by 2 whole cube plus and so on. This is the problem. In this problem, you can convert it to 1 plus x whole power p by q or 1 minus x whole power p by q or 1 plus x whole power minus p by q or 1 minus x whole power minus p by q form. That's why you can write, first of all, given series is put s is equal to, or let s is equal to given series. What is the given series? 1 plus 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 5 by 3 into 6 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 2 into 5 into 8 by 3 into 6 into 9 1 by 2 whole cube plus and so on infinity. First of all, in this series expanded, s is equal to 1 plus 2 by, here denominator is what? Numerator, one term is a denominator, you can write 1. Numerator multiply of 2 terms is a denominator having 1 into 2, already explained previous classes. After that, you can write 1 by 3 into 1 by 2, correct or not? 2 by 1, 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 5 by 3 into 6, nothing but 1 into 2. Here 2 into 5 is there, you can write denominator 1 into 2. 3 6 are 18, 18 by 1 into 2, 2, 18 by 2 nothing but 1 by 9, 1 by 9 into 1 square value 1, 2 square value 4, 1 square value 1, 2 square value 4. After that 2 into 5 into 8 by, numerator having 2 into 5 into 8. What is the denominator? Already explained, 1 into 2 into 3. 1 into 2 into 3, how much? 6. You can common here 6, you get 9 3s are 27. You get 1 by 27 into 1 cube value 1, 2 cube value 2 into 2 into 2, you get 8. That is 1 by 8 plus and so on undefined. Okay students, understood or not? Here numerator having 2 terms, denominator having 1 into 2. Numerator having 3 terms, product of 3 terms, denominator having 1 into 2 into 3. Numerator having 4 terms, multiply of 4 terms, denominator also be multiplied 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. This is a way of converted to given expression in the formula model. After that, s is equal to 1 plus 2 by 1 into 1 into 1, 1 by 3 into 2, 6, correct or not? Plus 2 into 5 by 1 into 2 into 1 into 1, 1, 9 4s are 36, 9 4s are 36 plus 2 into 5 into 8 all by 1 into 2 into 3 into 27 8s are how much? 1 into 1, 1 by 27 8s are 8 7s are 56, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 5 21, 216, 1 by 216 plus and so on undefined. After that, s is equal to 1 plus 2 by 1 factorial into 1 by 6 plus 2 into 5 by 1 into 2 nothing but 2 factorial into 1 by 36 nothing but 6 into 6, 6 square plus 2 into 5 into 8 by 1 into 2 into 3 nothing but 3 factorial 1 by 216, 216 nothing but 6 into 6 into 6, check, 6 6 are 36, 36 6 are 6 6 are 36, 6 3 are 18, 18 plus 3 21, you get 216, nothing but you can write 216 is 6 cube, 6 cube plus and so on undefined. After that s is equal to 1 plus 2 by 1 factorial into 1 by 6 plus 2 into 5 by 2 factorial into 1 by 6 whole square, correct or not? Here 1 square value 1, 6 square you get 6 square plus 2 into 5 into 8 by 3 factorial into 1 by 6 whole cube, nothing but what is the meaning of 1 by 6 whole cube? 1 cube value is 1, 6 cube you get 6 cube. This total sum of the C's you can write equation 1. You can write equation 1. Here next in equation 1 comparing with which form? First you can write in equation 1 comparing with here all terms are positive is there, you get power plus, you power plus, power minus, the binomial theorem also be 1 minus x whole power minus p by q or 1 plus x whole power p by q form. That's why you can write 1 plus p by 1 factorial into x by q plus here p is there, after p next term is 5 is there, here you get 5 adding 2 something or not, 2 plus 3 nothing but you can write p plus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square plus p into p plus q into p plus 2q by 3 factorial into x by q whole square whole cube plus and so on is equal to 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. Correct or not, student? Check this one is correct or not. Already explained in this formula starting rational index form. Here minus minus is there, all terms are positive, power having negative, next term of p is p plus q, after that p plus 2q, after that p plus 3q. Comparing in equation 1 LHS part of in this formula, you get 1 here, 1 is there, p nothing but 2, p value is 2, after that p plus q value is 5, p plus q nothing but 5. Here x by q whole square, x by q whole cube. Similarly 1 by 6 whole square, 1 by 6 whole cube. You get x by q value is what? 1 by 6. Here you can write p value is 2 in this p plus q form. 2 plus q is equal to how much? 5. Q is equal to 5 minus 2. Q is equal to 5 minus 2 value is 3. This q value substituted in this equation, x by q value is 3 is equal to 1 by 6, x is equal to 3 by 6, x is equal to 1 by 2. X value is 1 by 2, q value is 3, p value is 2. X value is 1 by 2, q value is 3, p value is 2. This total expansion similar to LHS part of given formula. That's why this total expansion you can write LHS is equal how much? RHS. Nothing but x value equal to RHS part. Correct or not, student? 100% comparison correct. That way you can write S is equal to 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. You can write in this expression x value is 1 by 2, p value is 2, q value is 3. X value is 1 by 2, p value is 2 by q value is 3. After that what? S is equal to, you can take LCM, 2 is LCM, 2 minus 1 whole power minus 2 by 3. S is equal to 2 minus 1, how much? 1. 1 by 2 whole power minus 2 by 3. After that S is equal to 1 power minus 2 by 3, how much? 1 power something, you get 1 by 2 power minus 2 by 3. 2 power something not equal to 2. 1 power something equal to 1. 2 power something is not equal to 2. You can observe that difference. 2 power minus 2 by 3 is there. This 2 power minus 2 by 3 goes to numerator. What happened? Here denominator having power negative. This denominator goes to numerator, power having positive. Correct or not? That is correct one. S is equal to 2 power plus 2 by 3. This 2 power 2 by 3 you can write S is equal to 2 power 2 by 3. Nothing but 2 square whole power 1 by 3. Correct or not? A power m whole power n. A power m into n. 2 into 1 by 3. You get 2 by 3. After that S is equal to 2 square. 2 square nothing but 4. 2 2s are 4. Whole power 1 by 3. This 4 power 1 by 3 we can write. Whole power 1 by 3 we can write cube root. Whole power 1 by 2 you can write square root. Whole power 1 by n you can write nth root. That's why you can write cube root of 4. What is the value of S here? S value is cube root of 4. What is the value of x expression here? X expression is what here? S is equal to 1 plus 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 5 by 3 into 6 into 1 by 2 whole square plus 2 into 5 into 8 by 3 into 6 into 9 into 1 by 2 whole cube plus and so on undefined. This is the value of S. This S value equal to cube root of 4. Cube root of 4. That's why sum of the infinite series of the given series is cube root of 4. Cube root of 4. This sum of the series value equal to cube root of 4. This is a 7 marks question impounded problem in IP examination. This is the binomial theorem. 7 marks coming to the first exercise 6a. Second 7 marks question coming to the find the infinite series problem model. Already last class completed 2 problems. Today class completed 1 problem.